Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover how the Mach 5 Blue Sparrow missile works and why its unique ballistic flight path makes it one of the most dangerous weapons in modern warfare. The answer lies in a weapon that combines extreme speed with unconventional tactics. While the world was distracted by the US Navy destroying Iran's surface fleet in the Persian Gulf, Israel executed the most sophisticated decapitation strike in modern history. The weapon of choice wasn't a stealth bomber or a traditional cruise missile. It was the Blue Sparrow. Originally designed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems as a dummy target to test Israel's Arrow defense shield, the 1,900-kilogram missile was weaponized into a precision assassin that operates on the very edge of Earth's atmosphere. Traditional missiles like the Tomahawk fly low to the ground to avoid detection. The Blue Sparrow does the exact opposite. Launched from high-altitude Israeli F-15 Eagle fighter jets, the missile's rocket motor propels it upwards on a quasi-ballistic trajectory into the stratosphere. Once it reaches its peak, the re-entry vehicle detaches and performs a nearly vertical plunge toward the target at Mach 5. Tehran is heavily fortified by Russian-made S-300 and indigenous Bavar 373 anti-aircraft systems. However, these billion-dollar defense nets are fundamentally designed to scan the horizon for incoming jets and low-flying threats. They possess a massive vertical blind spot. By dropping almost straight down from the boundary of space at hypersonic speeds, the Blue Sparrow gave Iranian air defenders only a few seconds of warning, effectively neutralizing their command and control networks before anyone could even press a button. Ali Khamenei was reportedly inside his heavily fortified, multi-story leadership compound in the Pasteur district of Tehran. A standard gravity bomb would only scratch the surface of such a facility. But because the Blue Sparrow drops from the edge of space, its sheer kinetic velocity acts as an unstoppable penetrator. The physics are terrifying. The mass of the warhead combined with Mach 5 speed allows it to slice through reinforced concrete and steel like butter before detonating deep underground. The physics of the missile were only half the equation. The other half was elite cyber espionage. According to leaked intelligence, Israel's Unit 8200 and Mossad spent years hacking into Tehran's traffic cameras and local networks. They used this real-time data to time the Blue Sparrow's Mach 5 drop for the exact moment the Supreme Leader and his top commanders, including the Defense Minister and IRGC brass, were gathered at the compound. While the Middle East burns, the Indian Air Force, IAF, is quietly watching this technology in action. Israel has actively collaborated with New Delhi to adapt this exact Sparrow target missile technology into an offensive weapon known as the ROX missile, designated Crystal Maze 2 in India. The IAF has already successfully test-fired it from Sukhoi Su-30 Mki fighter jets, meaning India already possesses the same radar-evading space strike capability to bypass Chinese and Pakistani air defenses. Military analysts are warning that the decapitation strike in Tehran was just a live-fire rehearsal. If the Blue Sparrow can completely bypass all radar and crack a leadership compound in the capital in broad daylight, it means Israel and the US now have a tested, undeniable method for obliterating Iran's deeply buried nuclear enrichment sites at Fordow and Natanz. Thanks for tuning in to this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.